tire came off. Say, well, here's a chapter that the Honorable Elijah Muhammad gave me to study. I'll tell you the truth. I'm just waking up to it. I'm a very slow student. But in this chapter, the 74th chapter of the Quran, it says the righteous will be in gardens of bliss, and they will ask about the guilty. And they will ask the guilty, what has brought you into hell? And some of us are in a hell of a condition right now. Can't pay our bills, can't do this, can't do that. And you're thinking all kind of crazy thoughts about what you should do to pay your bill. Some of you will lie. Some of you will steal. Some of you will cheat. Some of you will do all kinds of ugly things just to get $1 to pay a bill. See, all these things are trials. You know, see, the God wants you to know that he is who he said he is. You don't need to steal. I'm saying this, man. A white man can say all kinds of things about what you owe him. See, but Allah knows best, you know, what you know and what he knows.
Yes, sir.
And what you all have to do, or what we have to do, is put more trust in the divine being and less trust in your own scheming. Because the more you scheme, you deny him. You say, well, hell, I got to think this through. There ain't no mystery, God. No, there ain't. He's real. You may not see him, but because you can't see him, that don't mean he ain't real. If you saw him, you wouldn't recognize him. What you mean? I know what he looks like. I got his picture. You don't recognize God with a picture. Crazy brother. Silly sister. All you see is another flesh and blood human being like yourself. You can't recognize God like that. You can't see wisdom by seeing flesh. You can't see power by seeing flesh. You have to get up on another plane to see God. So when you start scheming, well, I think, I know what I need, quick dollar. They said they was going to throw me in the street. I can't get put out. Brother across the street said he got some good coat. If I just sold a couple of caps of it, I got my rent, man. Yeah, that's what. I know I'm supposed to be a Muslim, but I know Allah will understand. I mean, the devil made me do it, you know. I mean, it's amazing how you talk to yourself when you want to do wrong. It's amazing how you can get yourself to, you know, you bend your mind all up into a pretzel to make yourself comfortable in wrongdoing. Here's a man that's a homosexual, you know, and he's trying to stay away from being that. And he get all kind of crazy thought. He fixing it up in his mind so he can talk to God. You know? Well, I know I'm homo, God. I mean, I'm trying to get out of it, you know what I mean? But here's this fine-looking man just staring at me. But don't you know, whenever you want to do wrong, you justify it. And you try to find something to make the wrong look right. See, your mind is like that, brother. Because, see, your nature is so right, you got to fool yourself to do wrong. So you start working with your mind. Well, it ain't nothing but a reefer. I mean, it come from the earth. Understand? God produced it. So, I mean, God knew what he was doing. He must have wanted me to get high. And by the time you get finished fixing it, you say, give me a pound. Give me a pound, man. I'm ready for this pound. You can't smoke a pound in a night. So you're going to have to lie to yourself until the pound is gone. And I mean, that's the way it is with evil. You got to delude yourself. You got to deceive yourself. You got to put your conscience to sleep. You got to work all kind of gymnastics and justify wrong. You know what I mean? So he going to ask the guilty. The righteous going to ask each other, what about the guilty? What has brought you into hell? Why are you in this condition? They will say, we were not of those who prayed. See, that's the first thing that gets you headed toward hell. You do not pray. When we don't pray, we cannot develop the force spiritually